Start by selecting your desired language. Next, set the time and date. The time is in a 24-hour format. The date is a month, day, year format. The next step is to select your temperature unit. For this example, we will select Fahrenheit. At the zone circuit settings screen, select the number of zone circuits you will be connecting to your boiler. For this example, we will be selecting 2 zone circuits. For zone circuit 1, we will select a fixed set point setting. Under the temperature set point screen, set your target temperature. Under the output configuration screen, select the desired pump output for the zone circuit. For zone circuit 2, we will select weather compensated functionality. Under the heating curve screen, make the necessary adjustments to the slope and shift to achieve the desired heating curve. Next, you can select the desired pump output for the zone circuit. The zone circuit settings screen summarizes your selections. Continue with OK, and the startup is now complete.